Today I'm going to show you the mechanic's secret magic trick on how to install these starter bushings so you can stop throwing them away. And the only special tool required is a tap that's smaller than the diameter of the bushing, but bigger than the hole in the bushing. You'll see why in a minute. So with the starter out, here you can see the brass bushing. And all we have to do is take our tap and start driving our tap in. And as the tap taps into the hole, it cuts the threads into the brass bushing, which doesn't matter because this is the old bushing. And anything that falls down to the bell housing are soft brass shavings. And once the tap clears the bushing, the magic happens. The tap will actually bottom out in the hole in the bell housing. Continuing to turn that tap will now extricate the bushing from the bell housing as the threads wind up the tap, removing the bushing automatically. That's all there is to it. And then to reinstall, you just use a Allen or Torque socket that fits the bushing well. Be careful not to drop the bushing or the socket into the bell housing, and tap the bushing in. And then the last 5 to 10% can be done with the extension flipped around backwards. That's it. It only takes about 2 minutes. That's why it's ridiculous to just throw these away, especially when it's required for warranty on the starter. Part of the starter issue could be a worn starter bushing. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys next time.
We out of here! Please like, share, and subscribe my video, guys!